In this video, I'll show you how to fix the beginning balance when you're reconciling in QuickBooks Online. First, if your beginning balance is wrong in QBO, Intuit says the cause is usually one of two things. The opening balance was entered incorrectly, or a previously reconciled transaction was changed, deleted, or marked with the wrong reconciliation status. Start by opening Accounting, then go to Chart of Accounts. Find the bank account you're reconciling and open Account History or View Register. Intuit says you should look for the opening balance entry, which normally shows opening balance equity. Check the date and amount, then compare them with your real bank statement for that same date. If the number is wrong, edit it and save it. Next, review the reconciliation status of the transactions in that account. For a first reconciliation, Intuit says only the opening balance should already show as reconciled, and other transactions should not have, and are unless they were actually reconciled before. If this is not your first reconciliation, Intuit recommends checking whether older reconciled transactions were edited or removed, because that can throw off the next beginning balance. After that, go back to Accounting, then Reconcile, open the account again, and make sure the statement ending date and ending balance match your bank statement exactly before you continue. Intuit says incorrect statement info can also create reconciliation problems, so the simple fix is check the opening balance, compare it to your bank statement, correct any wrong entry, review any changed reconciled transactions, and then start the reconciliation again. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.